long tubes, no cats, and coarser extreme. So I have mufflers and resonators on this.
Oh, that sounds good. Got that nice chop too. Vicious sounding. So welcome back. Thank you for hanging out and spending a few moments here with me. If you're new, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Today we are going to be relocating the air fuel ratio gauge over to this side, and it's a little bit of a better fitment because number one, it's a little bit more visible, and also too, the boost gauge is right above it, so I can monitor that a little bit better. Also too, the air fuel is not really working properly, so I went out, bought a new gauge, and I've been waiting to get it installed, and today's that day. I've had a little bit of a bad string with the Charger. I went back to New York for a week or so, and I came back and the battery was completely dead, which I kind of expected. And then the following day, I had a nail in my driver's side rear, and so, you know, I had a completely flat tire that day. And then the following day, I went to go get the transmission T-stat installed.
Well, yeah, I see a problem here.
What's that?
Do you see a problem here? Threads. It's not threaded.
So kind of a rough patch there, but nothing crazy, nothing super serious. I went out and ordered a new T-stat, and you know, we'll get back on track and such. Is everything stuffed behind the little pocket where the gauge was? So I'm trying to get the footage of the install, and this little guy is not having it, right? So you guys got to take a look at this thing. Absolute monster. You're telling me that it's a 426 stroker?
It's a 426 stroker. It still says 392 on it, but it's a 426 stroker.
Ah, you made it a sleeper. So did you upgrade the you upgraded the fueling?
So yeah, fueling is upgraded, 95mm throttle body, like they say hellcat, whatever, but it's a Mopar 95mm. Ported and polished heads, performance valves, springs, glass radiator hose, leg maker cold air intake, true one. The filter's actually down in here. Living in Florida, everybody thinks that, you know, you're gonna suck up water, but I don't drive into puddles that are 4 feet deep.
Yeah, exactly.
Right? It's water resistant, the filter, and it has a water resistant sock on it, so, or repellent, and it takes a lot for water to get through that. In the summer weather here.
How do you like this manifold?
So
a lot of guys are 50-50 on this here.
Yeah, it's really kind of better for boost, right? But with as much air as the 426 is pulling, it actually is beneficial for it.
Okay.
When I had it on the 392 before I did the 426, I didn't really notice much of a difference.
All right.
But I haven't gotten to the track yet. My differentials need some work. Once I get the differential done, then I won't be scared to get on the track and not break something. But,
now, did you do anything to the transmission?
The transmission, all I did so far was the tune.
Okay. Made a huge difference?
Oh yeah, the tune made a big difference because it's shifting at a better point.
Nice.
But yeah, pretty much.
So how much power after the 426?
I haven't gotten on the dyno yet, again, because of the differential. I don't want to put on the dyno and start blowing stuff up.
Gotcha, yeah.
But, I mean...
If I had to throw a number out there, I would say that you're probably around 550 wheel horsepower.
Yeah, I'm thinking...
Maybe a little bit north of that, yeah.
That's
nice, man.
That's what I'm thinking that it is, naturally aspirated.
Yeah.
But, I didn't have this... Two things. I didn't have the space and I don't have the bottle. But I have to put spaces under here to lift this up a little bit because I have the Nitrous Express plates.
Oh, you're going nitrous too,
I'm
huh?
do 250 shot.
Damn, that's a big shot.
Yeah.
All right.
It'll be on a progressive system.
Yeah.
So, I could
so like you hit like one, like 2,000 RPM,
yeah.
and then you get a hit, and then a hit, and then a hit.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool though.
Yeah. As my daily has 166,000.
Are you trying to get it like as a drag racer? Or are you trying to hit a certain time, or just for fun,
just
right?
For fun.
That's what I do in my car.
So
it's just for fun.
With all of that, I have about. I just took it all out because I'm redoing it. I have about 800 pounds of music in it.
Nice.
So it's not even about going to the track and
yeah.
like I said, 166,000.
It's funny. Everybody thinks, you know, oh, you're building power, so you should go to drag racing. And it's like, no, man. I'm building it, having fun with it. You know.
Look at my battery.
Nice.
Relocating the fuse box. It's over here in the corner, and it's just all gonna be music.
Get that bass going.
Yeah.
Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, I got the Orion HCAs. They're in there in the box.
So what kind of fueling did you actually upgrade to? What kind of, what?
I'm running 93.
No, I mean like injectors and a pump.
All I did, because it's naturally aspirated, I did the FIC 750s.
Okay.
Yeah. So I didn't have to
and you didn't have to upgrade the pump either, right? You're fine.
The pump.
Okay.
I was thinking about E85, but I decided against it. I'm just gonna get a tune for 102 or 103 for race fuel, and then with the nitrous, I'm gonna build a like a motorcycle gas tank on the side for C16.
All right, so we have it installed, and it's right above the boost gauge now. And for those of you that are wondering if it could be done for a Challenger, Wayne over here is the one that installed it. So it could be done in both Chargers and Challengers, right?
Yes. Yeah, inside the dash. So this is the Charger for 2015 and up. Well, actually 2012, 11 and up, because the dash is the same.
And basically this will fit any gauge, right?
Yep, any gauge. And then this would be the Challenger. So the gauge shape, the AC bezel shape is slightly different, but it still fits in the same way.
Nice, okay.
Yeah.
And it's just for that one specific spot, right? It's
the driver's left side.
Gotcha. Yeah. All right, so the air fuel is in there, and you know, I'm running the AC. I still feel the AC coming out. Like Wayne said, you're just not able to kind of direct it in any which direction. Look at this guy. It's just going to come out straight, which is, you know, not that big of a deal. But you will feel the AC. You will feel the heat if you need it. So anybody that's looking for like a boost gauge or some kind of a gauge installed, definitely go check him out. Like I said, you could do it either Charger or Challenger, no big deal. And I'll tell you, it's the cabin is starting to really get cleaned up. I'm really enjoying driving this thing now. It's not so, you know, I don't know, sloppy. So Wayne is really doing a great job of just cleaning up the interior, cleaning up the electronics, and just making everything just feel a little bit more professional. So I really like that. So with that being said, guys, definitely let me know what you think in the comments below. I really like it. Again, you know, all this works nicely with the steering wheel that I just had installed. It's coming together, and you know, next up is a couple other smaller tweaks.